Where to find the best sites. Plants and flowers by location. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about the trees used by Indians to construct canoes. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about the trees used by Indians to construct canoes is runescape.wikia.com. See the page titled Woodcutting, the RuneScape Wiki. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.biggerin.org, especially the page Facts for Kids, the Powhatan Indians, Powhatans. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, cen.wikipedia.org. The web page Canoe, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This is the link.